Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video, the Lexus LC 500, a chariot of the modern age. First, let us speak of its exterior, which gleams like polished galleon silver under the moonlight. The LC 500's lines are not mere lines, they are incantations, weaving aerodynamic spells that slice through the air with the grace of a hippogriff in flight. Its LED headlights are like lumos spells, illuminating the darkest of paths with a radiant glow. But step inside, and you'll feel as if you've apparated into another realm entirely. The cabin, a sanctuary of luxury, is ensconced in the finest materials known to wizardkind. Leather as supple as dragonhide cushions your journey, while the craftsmanship rivals even the most intricate wandwork of Ollivander himself. Now, let us delve into its magical arsenal of features. With a mere flick of your finger, or should I say, a tap of your wand, the LC 500's infotainment system springs to life, offering navigation akin to the Marauder's map, guiding you through labyrinthine muggle streets with ease. But wait, there's more enchantment to be found beneath the hood. The LC 500's heart is a roaring beast, a V8 engine that rumbles with the ferocity of a Hungarian horntail, yet purrs like a contented Kneazle when called upon to navigate bustling Diagon Alley. And what of its handling, you ask? Fear not, dear friends, for the LC 500 dances upon the road, as if under the influence of a Fidelius charm, its adaptive suspension ensuring a ride so smooth, it's as if you're gliding on a cushion of flue powder. In conclusion, the Lexus LC 500 is not merely a car, it is a testament to the ingenuity of Muggle engineering, a feat of magic in its own right. So, the next time you find yourself longing for a taste of the extraordinary, look no further than this chariot fit for the most discerning wizard or witch. Accio, Lexus LC 500.